this is the tutorial for Stroll to the pose. So we're simply going to start out with brush them off. You can do this forward or you can do this outward, just depending on how many of you guys are doing it. So if you want more people to see it, then you brush them off to the side. If it's a lot of you, brush them off to the side. If it's like 4 or 5 of you, just brush them off to the front. People can still see it. So it's brush them off, flex on them. So what I want you to do with it is to sit in it. Flex, pop, sit in it. And after that move, then you're simply just going to glide like this with stroll to the pose, After you do that, you pivot, and then you do your best 4-count walk as you are strolling to the pose. So if you want to stroll like this for 4 counts, then you stroll like this for 4 counts. You just want to walk and prance. You want to do your Naomi Campbell, whatever it is you want to do. You do that for 4 counts. So now we're going to try with music so you guys can see what it looks like with music. All right, guys. So now we're going to do it with some music. Find the beat. 5, 6, 7, 8. Brush them off. Flex on them. Stroll to the pose. To the pose. Pivot, and prance, and you just start over. That's the stroll. Hope you guys like it.